You heard Inez, conditions on the roads this morning making for a messy commute for some of you out there.
Yeah, she mentioned that New Jersey caught the early brunt of the storm. Robert Moses has been driving around out there in Jersey in it. What are you seeing right now as you're outside the car?
Yeah, Kurt and Rosanna, the intensity of the snow continues to increase, and we talk about how this is really the first plowable snow of the winter season. This is what we mean. I mean, it is plowable. It's already been plowed here in this parking lot in Mahwah, but I wanted to show this to you for a couple of reasons. First of all, you can see how much has already been plowed, and then how much has already fallen on top of what was already plowed, which speaks to this intensity. And this is a heavy, wet, dense snow that you can throw snowballs. You can make snowballs with. If I were in the studio, I'd throw one at Mike Woods. I'm not, so I have to make do. Let's show you Route 17. I think people are sort of heeding the warnings today to stay off the roads. Obviously, we would see much more traffic at this hour than we do now. People are either staying home or delaying their commutes. State offices here in New Jersey are opening later than normal. They'll open at 10 a.m. There are about 2,500 pieces of equipment that are either out or at the ready here all across the state to clear away this very wet, dense, heavy snow. And it is the type of snow that can cause heart attacks. So if you are compromised in any way, if you're elderly or in poor health, please don't try to be a hero today. Hire someone to shovel your sidewalk or driveway. It's just a whole lot safer to do than to try to do it yourself. Besides the heavy snow, there's also heavy winds. There could also be coastal flooding. So this storm offers many threats with it, and it is coming with a bang, and it's coming very quickly. So pay attention to that if you're heading out. Just a few minutes ago, I spoke to the mayor of this township of about 28,000, Jim Wysocki. Mayor, you've been out driving this morning. What have you seen?
The roads are all snow covered. They're very slippery. But what I have seen is the lack of cars on the road, which is something that everybody stresses at a storm like this. If we could just, get the word out, stay home, let the road crews do their job, and the roads will be fine. And once it's all over, you can come out and enjoy the nice day.
So we're in the bullseye here in northern Bergen County, right near the New York state line. This is the spot where that's expected to see the bulk of this storm. Yes, it will clear out here in the next few hours, as Mike has been telling us, but not before leaving a whole lot of snow and a lot to clean up as we move through the day. Again, if you're heading out to do this cleanup yourself, take it slow. You need to just pace yourself so you don't cause any sort of health issues as you're trying to shovel this heavy, wet stuff, because it is very heavy. We're live in Mahwah this morning. Kurt and Rosanna, back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Robert.